Well, here we are, the end of 2022, my second year on YouTube. Fun fact, December 30th, the day this video released, is also the 5-year mark of running this business, which started out as a photography business. I didn't even consider YouTube as an option until late 2020. Anyways, I won't get into all the details, but this has been one roller coaster of a year. But the purpose of this video is to provide you with real data on my growth as a content creator here on YouTube, so that those of you looking to grow your channels in the future have something to reference. Let's get right into it. On January 1st of this year, I had 120 amazing subscribers. And the amount of subscribers I have now, you'll see on the screen here. I published this many videos, including the one that you're watching right now, and this many shorts, including the one that I'm publishing tomorrow. Now jumping into my analytics, the highest traffic source on my channel this year is from the shorts feed, and then YouTube search, followed by suggested videos. Because of my niche and what I create videos about, I generally optimize my videos to rank in search, and I most likely will continue this into 2023. Most of my subscribers that joined this channel this year came from concert photography related content, and there's more of that type of content coming very soon. If you want the nitty-gritty details on my transition from concert photographer to YouTuber, check out this video that I'll link in the description below. It's truly one of my favorite videos that I've created this year. My other absolute favorite video that I created this year is my Iceland travel guide for photographers and videographers. I didn't even know I was capable of creating such a masterpiece. It would mean a lot if you checked out this video if you haven't already. That all said, I focus on growing this YouTube channel whenever I'm not working my 40-hour-a-week day job, which I just started a new one, and I'm sure I'll talk more about that in another video, spending quality time with my girlfriend, or other priorities or obligations that come up in life. So if you're watching this and experiencing slow growth on YouTube, like me, it's important to remember the following. Being a content creator is tough. Building a business is brutal. Entrepreneurship in general requires self-awareness to an extreme, and trusting your creative process is easier said than done. All of that to say that this year, creating videos is some of the most fun I've ever had, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. This is it. 2023 is right around the corner. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next year.